What's up guys, JG the Junk King here. Welcome to another demolition. So this garage shed thing caught on fire and now we need to remove the whole thing and everything inside of it. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get right to it. Alright guys, second load is packed in the truck and we're gonna come back for I think one more load and then we should be done. I have no idea how that got on my face. But yeah, it's coming along. It's almost gone. We just have this pile right here and that's it. Alright y'all. It's gone. We're finished. We fully loaded 3 truckloads and everything in that trailer. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed.